Emotions are a natural part of being human. Everyone feels happy, sad, angry, or anxious at times. But sometimes emotions can become overwhelming and hard to control. Learning to manage your emotions can improve your life, your relationships, and your well-being. Here are some simple ways to control your emotions effectively. First, understand your emotions. Take a moment to notice what you are feeling. Name the emotion. Is it anger, sadness, fear, or something else? When you can identify the emotion clearly, it becomes easier to handle it. Next, pause and breathe. When strong emotions rise, stop and take deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold for a few seconds, then breathe out through your mouth. Deep breathing helps calm your mind and body, giving you time to think before reacting. Then, think before you act. Avoid making decisions or saying things when you are emotional. Give yourself a moment to cool down. This helps prevent actions or words you might regret later. Another important step is to express your emotions in a healthy way. Talk to someone you trust. Write down your feelings in a journal or try creative activities like drawing or music. Sharing your emotions instead of keeping them inside can reduce stress and improve your mood. Also, practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with encouraging and kind words to yourself. Instead of saying, "I can't handle this," say, "I am doing my best and I will get through this." Finally, take care of your body. Regular exercise, good sleep, and healthy eating support your emotional health. When your body feels good, your mind will feel better too. Controlling your emotions doesn't mean ignoring them. It means understanding and managing them in a way that helps you live a happier and calmer life. With practice, controlling your emotions will become easier. Remember, everyone struggles sometimes. Be patient with yourself and keep trying these simple steps every day.